Is your Instagram account stuck, not seeing any increase in followers, despite creating stories, reels, posts as often as you possibly can? Well, don't worry, we've all been there. But the good news, it's easy to fix once you know what you're looking for. I'll be sharing 7 tips today that will increase your following overnight. So grab a pen and paper because you're gonna need it. This stuff is what you can do right now to boost your account. Hi everyone, welcome back to those who have been watching my videos and a warm welcome to those who have just joined us. I'm Margie, I'm a digital marketer and my mission is to help you turn your hobby, your passion into a beautiful, profitable brand by utilising the power of social media. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be releasing new videos every week on these topics. So, topic 1, who are you talking to? Now, this is really important and somewhat really obvious, but let me explain. It doesn't matter what you're selling, you need to know exactly who wants to buy. That way you can tailor your language, the topics you talk about, and even the way you present yourself to your audience. The better you know who your audience is, the better you can complete this action. In the description below, I'll be putting a link to my free guide to finding your perfect dream customer. Download it, fill it out, and get all the info that you possibly can. You could even talk to your current customers and your potential customers to gain that extra insight. Find out what their frustrations are so you can address them and make that all part of your content. Do you know the bonus is you can use all of this, can't even talk. The bonus is you can use all of this information on all of your social media platforms so you don't even have to think of ideas to create content for. Okay, topic 2, what? Now, find your niche and stick to it. Pretty simple. This is really important because have a think about it. If you're talking about holidays and all of a sudden you post something about fashion, your audience is going to get confused. Not to mention you'll be attracting the wrong type of audience, and we want to remember that the whole reason to grow your account is to attract people that want to buy your product. So always keep to your niche. Make it really clear so if somebody clicks on your profile, they know exactly what the product or the service is that you're providing. Provide lots and lots of value and information. Now, reels aren't the place just to sell your products. Make sure they're really interesting to give someone a reason to want to follow you and they want to see your content. So on that note, make sure you share original content and make sure it's authentic, created by your camera. Make sure the quality is also great. So what I mean by that is just the simple stuff. Don't stress. It just means make sure your camera's clean. Like if it's got gunk and gooey and fingerprints on it, just give it a wipe over. It's pretty straightforward there. Also make sure you're filming in the highest possible quality, and when you upload, also upload in the highest possible quality. So a couple of other points on this topic. Do stay relevant with any cultural moments and topics. Just be aware of what's happening around you in the world today. And when you choose content, be yourself. Just be authentic. So topic number 3, why? Why are you posting your reel? Chances are it's to increase your following. Reels are a really perfect way to do this, when done correctly. But okay, so what sort of reel do you post? You could post a quote reel, you could just talk directly to the camera, you could post something about your products, maybe even some wonderful testimonials because we all know social proof is amazing. But this all depends on the data. Boring, but just stay with me on this one. What I would like you to do firstly is make sure you have a creator account. This is the easiest way to get the data needed to quickly grow your account. Now, if you're not sure what type of account you have, click on the settings and there'll be an option for a creator or a business account. Now, I'll cover those later in a separate video, but it's pretty straightforward. Click on settings and it will talk you through the steps to make sure that your account is a creator account. Once you have that sorted, you'll have the option then to click on Professional Dashboard. So click on that, click on See All, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll find that there'll be an option to click on for Reels. Click on that and you'll be able to see all of your Reels, and there'll be a number underneath. Now that number is plays. That is how many times somebody has watched at least a part of your video. Check out which ones did really well, and you can sort the by newest or by highest. And so have a look which ones did really well and have a look at which ones didn't. Now, can you do something similar to the ones that went really well? But just remember, this doesn't mean stop doing all the others. It just means to be aware of the ones that are doing really well and the ones that are flopping a bit. And quite simply, do more of just what works. How do we get someone to stop scrolling and watch your reel? So if you think about it, you're sitting on your phone, you're flicking through Instagram, and you stop on something. Why? Why do you stop? So I want you to take notice when you are just meaninglessly scrolling through Instagram, what catches your attention and why. So this is called a hook. What is a hook? It is something that happens in the first few moments of every video, every newspaper article, everything that you say or do to get somebody's attention and get them interested. You could use something like, bet you didn't know this, or perhaps you could say, use this to grow your Instagram account overnight. Now, did you see that creates a little bit of curiosity and a bit of interest? If you're curious, you're going to want to watch the whole thing. So make the first 3 seconds of your reel count. Draw your viewer in so they want to watch your video. The algorithm will also notice how long somebody is watching your video. The longer somebody stays engaged, the more likely it's going to be shown to more people. You could always have a surprise or a twist or something like that too, but just keep in mind, follow the Instagram guidelines. Now I'll put a link in the description below. Do have a flick through those to make sure you don't go outside the Instagram guidelines, because that will hinder your account, not grow your account. So topic number 5, engaging transitions. Did you like that? So what is a transition? So we could say, it is the process or a period of changing from one state or condition to another. There you go, dictionary definition right there. But what does that all mean? It means change it up. It means be close to the camera, maybe followed by full length, or, well, what is this, like half length? Maybe wave your hands around, something movement, walk around the house perhaps, whatever it is. Make sure it's engaging and it catches your viewer's attention. So have a bit of a think, get creative, and have fun with it. Topic number 6, trending audio. This is a big one. If you're not sure what I mean by trending audio, scroll through your reels on your Instagram account. Now the words right down the bottom of your screen show the audio that's being used. It could be original, like just talking for example, or it could be music. Now look for the little arrow next to those words if there is one. If there is one, it means the music is trending. If you like it and it works in with your vibe, click on it and save it. So then you can use it later on. Now while you're on that audio page, have a bit of a look at the reels that other people have been using, and you can get inspiration for your reels. So kind of on that topic, if you're going to be talking, make sure you have some captions on. So if you have a think about this, how many times have you either been scrolling on your phone while you've either got a sleeping baby in your hand, I know I have, or maybe you're at work and you don't want to have any sound on but you want to know what's going on? If you have captions on, more people are more likely to engage with that particular reel and hang around. And ideally, that's what Instagram wants. They want people to stay on their social media platform. That's the end game. Okay, topic number 7, last one, stay consistent. Okay, I know everyone's saying that, but what do I mean by this? And it's also, look, it's the hardest one to do too. Pop it in the calendar when you are going to schedule a post, reel, or anything for your social media for that matter. make it a priority for your business if your priority is to grow your account. There is no rule of thumb with how much to post or when to post or anything like that. It's what works for you. Now, a good way to start is maybe try for 3 times a week. If you can do that, fantastic. You need it to be sustainable. There is no point posting twice a day for like a few weeks and then disappearing for a month. You need to be consistent, and that's why everyone keeps talking about consistency. Make sure it's something that it is something you can manage and you can put in with your whole business plan and your business growth methods. 7 top tips on growing your account. Really do start, make sure you're implementing it right now, and you will see your follower account grow overnight. Now, if you'd like to learn a little bit more about social media to grow your business, please click on the link in the description below for your free guide. And don't forget, there is that free guide I've also got on finding your dream customer. Really helpful when you know exactly who you're talking to. Doesn't matter what product, service you're trying to sell, it's really useful. So don't forget, give this video a thumbs up if you've learned something new today and you would like more tips and tricks on growing your business. Click the subscribe button and stay around to watch my other videos using social media to grow your business.